My first love is natural stone because it's all Mother Nature. You can't fight her. She is how she is. Oh, I'm passionate about what I do. I love learning from the quarry to how it gets to the land.
What makes us special here at Rock Interiors is the ability to be very creative with Mother Nature. Having this beautiful saw behind me actually gives us a hand.
Well, Rock Interiors started in 2008, right at the bottom of the financial crisis. There was such a demand that wanted something different. And so this is where we're at today. Currently 19 employees. We have a great team, very team-oriented and family-oriented. Artisans in stone, and it just makes me so proud. We welcome anyone who wants natural stone or any of the portfolio of what we offer. But we target market the luxury home. Their residents here, it could be their residents up in the mountains, so it has a different vibe. It could be their coastal living home or their lake living. I would say that probably the most challenging and rewarding project was doing a 60-foot wall of 60 slabs on one wall. Something that we never thought we could do. This machine did it for us. The level of ease that we got from the Voyager, if that Voyager can cut it, we can put it up. So we actually used 20 slabs on this pool, an infinity pool with waterfalls. And we did the wall cladding, we did where the water catches, and we also did all the trim around the pool. Rock Interiors is built upon focusing on technology and how we could do things more efficiently, more sustainably. So everything we do is recycled for not just our clients that would come in, but also for our employees. In 2008, we invested in a bridge saw machine from Italy. We got used to that service. If something broke down, you waited 72 hours. Omar and I went to different shows.
Going to all these shows, looking at these machines, the Voyager was definitely on top of the list. Definitely had everything that we wanted to do to enhance what we do here.
One of the things that was really important for us was customer service. What if the machine breaks down? Because as we all know, the heartbeat of a business is that machine. Park came out, Matt Zink, he really brought it down to what our needs were. He recommended what would be the best thing, what we could apply to what our target market is. That's pretty much how we ended up going Park, and we're so happy. Customer service by far is tops.
Tech support is pretty awesome. They're always on the phone with you if something happens.
When we call, we don't even think twice about someone not answering, not being knowledgeable. It was exciting. It has been a game changer for us. It has enhanced our productivity, it has enhanced our efficiency, it has enhanced our deliverable. Mitering has changed in just a positive way. The bridge saw did it, and so it would take maybe 3 to 4 hours. Now we do it in just like a limited time. We're like blown away. So what happens is, sales team, you got to keep selling because we have this workhorse here.
Old school techniques and the new school stuff, when you really apply them together, can get you some great results and an awesome product.
If we start the morning cutting a marble top, by the end of the day, we're doing ultra compact, whether it's a 3 centimeter thickness, 0.8, 1.2, 2 centimeter, we can do it. All we have to do is program it and hit set go, and it's flowing. This amazing machine. We just love it. Prior to having the Voyager and the Pathfinder, there was some reluctance of committing to a deliverable date, and it has just been a game changer. Now it's like, bring it on, we can do it.
Sometimes being great with your hands can only get you so far because you get older, and so having a machine that actually helps you. It's faster, it's easier.
Top in the industry when it comes to fabrication equipment. They stand behind their name. They are made in the USA. Not just that, they're family owned, so there's a deep commitment to ensuring that their machines going out are going to be quality all the way around. I encourage anybody who's on the fence, no looking back.